Okay, what do we got here? Coffee maker, a little piece of steel. This feels like it's very well built. And I'm not sure what it is. Take that along. Just some copper. I think I'm just going to take the whole box. Never can tell from the weight of the copper in it. Okay, here's a piece of scrap metal. That's the kind of stuff we're looking for, galvanized. Okay, I got an aluminum can and kind of a stand-in-the-room heater. It's got electric parts on it. Oh wow, nice heavy steel all-electric Toro weed whacker. Oh, a couple of pieces of siding. Okay, what we got here? More wire. Nice looking keyboard. Brass connections are always nice. Obviously, I'm not going to get that up because he's got a wrench already on it. Let's look at both of these pieces. Okay, looks like an old yard burner. Okay, got a Sherwin-Williams tool bag here. Looks fine to me. Is paper shredder. I'm just going to take the top, but look at all the metal in here, the cutting teeth. A steel pole. Okay, I got a toilet here, and I'm going to just take this brass arm with me, and if I can leave the ball, there's no point in taking it. Okay, here's cigar boxes. 1, 2, 4 wood ones. Watch out. They don't have anything else, do you? Okay, that's what you call picking here. Some aluminum. They got all these movie cases here. Looks like 100 of them. We got some bags here, grocery bags, and a lot of CD cases. Got to put our CDs in there. The rest of it. it is, as long as it's scrap. Cord. Got another keyboard. Alright, look at this. Brand new. Still in the box. Oh, these are brand new. Look at this. Oh, look at this. They're brand spanking new. Obviously, it's an empty house. Okay. Oh, look at this stuff. Look at this. It just took it out of the box. I'll put it back in. For shame, America. Just throwing away good stuff. Look at this stuff. Look at all this brand new stuff in here. Oh, what is this? It's brand new in the box. Okay, don't get excited here. Oh man, look at this. Don't tell me that's brand new. Man, that's a $180 faucet. Okay, don't try not to. Oh, here's the box for it. Well, let's just throw it away, America. Oh man. That's not scrap. Look at this. Here's the bottom piece of that to the faucet, and the nut that goes on there. I guess I should probably look at. They even gave me the instructions here. Look at this. It's brand new. Just put it back together here. Okay, here's a brand new yard light. And me, I always can use a 2x4. Because I'm a carpenter. Well, here's some more parts here. I don't know what I'm going to get. Here's a little brass handle. Obviously they changed their faucet here, but I want to check. Bottom here. You never know. Oh, look at this. Metal lantern. Oh, there's a pair of them. Oh, the one's missing the glass. Decorative dish. Okay, a few more things. Look at all these brand new toys here. Look at all this. This is a couple of $100 worth of stuff. Okay. A picture for me here. This is the most expensive kind of frame. See these metal angles here? We could either trash it or actually put something in it of our own. Very nice. It's got a broken glass here in the center, so we'll be able to use the aluminum out of it. Summer Exposition, Royal Academy of Arts. A couple of bed frames here, umbrella. Carry them separately. That's what we go for, is the steel. I always like to look inside here to make sure that these are aluminum before I take them. And then sometimes I just take a minute and get rid of the cloth, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. As long as there's aluminum in it. Now here's a steel pan. Actually, 2 baking pans. We'll take that. It's all metal here. A toaster oven. We used to see if it worked. Oh, I forgot the metal frame for that fan. Okay. Might as well dig down. Oh yeah, aluminum pan. Well, look at this hiding right in front of me, a lawnmower blade. Okay, we did good at this one. Piece of aluminum. Air tracking. Perfect shape. Okay, there's a little piece of brass right there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it off. No. No, that's going to be too hard to take off. But sometimes you loosen up the nut. No, not. I got a few little pieces of steel off of there. Right here. I'm just going to put this back in this recycle. Take it with us. Oh my gosh, is that a water heater? That's going to make our day. We better get up there. Woo! Okay. Man, this is what you go scrapping for. We know that's worth $10. Alright. Press the baby in here. The heavier it is, the happier I am. That just shows nobody's been out, right? Well, we got about $10 there or more. Who knows? It makes me happy. Well, we're just cruising around here. You never know what you're going to find here. People are always throwing away something of value. And look at all this garbage around here. Nice neighborhood here. Oh my gosh, plywood. Oh my gosh, give me that. You always want to be careful not to make a mess when you're picking up stuff. It's a shame that how many people throw away these car seats, and they look great. Morning. Okay, this is the best part of the basketball hoop. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got little shorty paddles. I've never even seen those before. And I don't see anything that's real steel. Oh wait, as soon as I said that, no, these are skis, and the ski poles are in there. And hopefully they're steel. Here. Okay, we're gonna take these skis. There's a metal foot all the way down there. Okay, we got these skis here, and they look like they're solid aluminum poles. And I notice a fishing reel down the bottom here. Well, anyway, that's steel. And look at this, aluminum on the top of here. Here's another one. Look and see what parts there are in here. That's a piece of aluminum, but we're not going to separate. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, it looks like a copper mug. Definitely a steel dish. Another copper mug. That's the most expensive stuff we get. This looks like it's wood. A little steel handle on there. A little steel handle on this one. And on this one and this one. So we got a little bit of steel here. Okay. Tripod. Okay, got a printer. And best off is a chair. So I can tell the steel by the weight. Little piece of aluminum here. Okay, is there anything in here? Metal chains, 2 of them. Little metal frame. Not sure what that is, but it's something. It's got copper in it. Here's another frame. Some copper. And then here's a little glass with steel. Break the glass off. Okay, we did good. Okay, here's the metal here. A little bit of metal there. That's not enough metal to grab. Oh, look at this. More copper. Okay. Hanger, a couple, some tools, and more copper. And that's a cute little on and off switch. Oh, look at this. Excellent little tools here. Actually, I'm not going to put that in the garbage. I'm going to hang on to some of that. Oh, wow, look at this. It's stainless steel. It has 15 functions. It's like a multi-tool. Like I say, I'm going to hang on to some of this stuff here. Look at this. It opens up. It's a multi-tool. Actually, it's just what I need. From here? Yeah. Out, right. A couple more pieces of steel. And that's what we're here for. Look at this. Oh, gosh. Oh, look. Some steel inside here. A lot of these poles are steel here. We don't want the bamboo ones. Metal is metal. Oh, there's one more. There's another one. Gotta sort them out here. Metal one. something there. Little piece of metal. Okay, I see an umbrella in there. Right here. Okay. Fan box. Sometimes they throw away the old fan. Or metal parts for it, which is what we're doing with scrapping. It's always worth looking in there to see what they got. It's a little thing, but they're wire nuts, and we're always having to buy them, so I'm just going to put those in my pocket. Brand new. Okay, I see a gas tank right here. That's metal. And we take those and drill a hole in them. Obviously, oh, it's empty. Oh, he's got a hole in it, so we don't have to do anything to it. Okay, these poles are starting to add up. Steel. Travel torch. Oh, look at that. Alright, I see a chair. Oh yeah, metal. Oh, look at this. Saves me metal only. Okay, all these poles are starting to add up. Get the steel one. Got plenty of light left in it now. Look at that, it looks like it works. This is for washing the truck. Okay. Obviously there's a little electronics here. Don't know what that is. And cords to the vacuum. And I'm not sure if they're working or a vacuum or what. Keep looking. We got some clean aluminum here, some fascia and soffit. And here we have what we call dirty aluminum. It's got plastic and little metal screws in it. Same with that umbrella here. I took the cover off. Here's an aluminum tripod, but it's got a little metal in it. If you remember that picture, we need to get the frame off because it's aluminum, so that, and we'll try to snap right there. Get this out. Of course, I'm going to add that to this pile here. All that adds up fast. If you see over here, we got a rug shampoo. We don't know yet. Look at this. We got a radio that works with a CD player on top and a cassette player right here with a cassette already in it. We also got a CD player, AM FM radio, with a matching pair of speakers. I'm sure this thing's going to work. We're going to try that out soon. We got a box of CD cases here and a box of DVD cases here. We might try to sell those on the internet, but if you look, there's a huge amount of them here. Also, we got another printer here, and it's exactly like the one I have in the basement. So we're gonna see if that works soon. And then we also have a garbage shredder. Probably just gonna cut the cord right off of it and keep the cords for copper, because we get these all the time. Today we found 3 keyboards. We also found a fan, and it has a copper motor in it. A coffee maker. Another toaster oven. Now, if you remember, we're cutting off all the cords we can to try to save those up. Even the one off the fan here, we're not keeping the fan. But we're keeping all the copper we possibly can. Here we have a toaster oven. I'm going to get all the copper off of these. They add up very fast. And there's 2 ways to do copper. One is to strip it. If you see here, there's a light, little light, and of course we're cutting the cord off. Here's some type of a timer. Okay, it's on an extension cord. We're getting all these cords together here and here. Take a look here. We got a whole bunch of bags from the grocery store. We can always reuse those. This guy threw away something personal called double platinum Pulte homes for Augusta Village. In just throwing away a presentation like that. We have a portable stereo speaker. It just opens it up and set it someplace. Got an on and off switch here. We don't know exactly what it plugs into. We also have all of these 4 controllers that have electronics inside of them. We also found a telephone and some small electronics. I think, I'm not sure what this is. And then also a little trimmer here for getting hair off, tiny little blades in there. And you can see that that's battery operated right here with 1 AA battery. We have some, oh, look at this, a dental pick. Now that's stainless steel, but these are precision instruments. Here's a dental mirror, and here's another dental pick. Now, of course, they got to be very clean if you're going to use. Oh, here's a solid stainless steel one. This is the one I remember seeing when I was a kid. They need to be sterilized. A couple of small screwdrivers. A little piece of metal here. A little piece of steel. We also found a tool bag like that. We can definitely put that to use right away. It's Sherwin-Williams is a paint company that says paint the world. We also found a lot of photographs that this guy must have been a pilot. Here's an old DC-10 from 1950s or 45s. He's obviously in another country. You see the palm trees here. And then Joseph Martina Labana, I don't know what that says. But look at the instruments of this plane that this guy is flying. Here's probably his co-pilot, possibly, and possibly a pilot. And just looking out of this big airplane. And everything here in this area came out of just this one box by itself. And if you look over here, one of these custom coffee brewers where you put in a coffee cartridge here, put it in, and it steams out into your cup. If you remember, if you see here, we got all these brand new light fixtures. I'd like to open one up and see what kind of condition it's in. Oh, well, it's in brand new condition. And see if the globe is good. Look at this guy throwing away brand new stuff. Nothing wrong with it. I guess he just didn't think it was good enough quality for him. Take a look, here's another light fixture. And it's not even broken. It's called Hampton Bay. All of these are. Look at this beautiful outside nautical light, meaning that it's waterproof. It's got a waterproof gasket on it. It's a little harder to change the bulb, but it's got a solid aluminum frame on it. here's a brand new water dispenser. If you know, these go in the house when you're hooking up a washer and dryer. And look at this, they're brand spanking new. They've never even been opened. Water closet, and it's got the valves, so the valves are worth 10 bucks a piece, the ball valves. Also, still in the box, not even open, a brown fan. We have these in our house. So, also, we found these two beautiful copper cups that look like they've hardly been used. And copper is close to $4 a pound right now. We found these 4 beautiful cigar boxes, all wood construction. Look at, with a little tack here to keep it shut. We also found this faucet. We know it's used, but it's for a tall sink. We found these spatulas that have stainless steel on them, the bottom piece, and then we got an air purifier here. Whole room tower fan. And then look what we have out here still in the truck. And here's the rest of the stuff we got. Some metal. And we're almost ready to go. Start loading it up. Like I said, we stop home normally to sort out what I call the better stuff. And, get all this junk up here. Almost ready to go. I took the scrap down in 2 separate loads. The first load, I got $58.50 for that over here. And on the second load, I got $33.02 for that one. Okay, we just went scrapping. And then we got, for our load, we got $58.50 cash. And then some of the items that I took back was a light fixture to Home Depot. It was brand new in the box, so I have a store credit card for $11.88. And then I went to Menards and returned that vent fan for the bathroom, so I have a check here for $10.71 right there. And then if you remember that big faucet, I took that back to Menards. And I also have a check for $85.52 for all the totals of $166.61.